Okay, let's take a look at the NCAA or college football features of the NFL prediction program. So again, if you have the icon on your desktop, double click, the program will come up. This is just a basic intro. Let's just take a look at the pull downs. Of course, the websites are all the same, whether you're accessing NFL or NCAA. But you do have a link here that you can go over to ESPN and look at NCAA stat stuff. Now you parse NCAA. You would hit, each season this would be updated. Obviously, right now it's still defaulted to 2021. Click that and it'll go out and get all the data we need to support the predictions. Once the data is in, you come on to databases, NCAA, and you can look at players. Let's say you're looking at passing, so you have a database come up. You could sort and so on. You can come under, again, databases. You can look at teams, look at team stats. You can have that. And, of course, as you see, you could also delete records. Really not necessary. All the routines will handle the records correctly. Under roster, you can come in and update the full player list, update for injuries, and of course you can display the roster. Give it a second while she does the links. And here we go. And the roster will show obviously the players, the teams, and so on, and then more importantly what string number they're in and whether or not there's an injury code. And the software will be using that. Under the schedule, NCAA schedule, you can set the game week. Right now it's set for right up here. You can see game week 13. But you would set the game week and then you can display the schedule for that week. And let's see. And then of course you can parse the schedule. Weights, similar to NFL, the NCAA weights, you can, let's just take a look at them. Here's the team weights, and these are weighting factors. So they will be a multiplier depending upon how you set these weighting factors. We'll talk more about those under a YouTube video just on weights. Anyway, you have team weights, and of course you have player weights. And you can load and save weights. But again, you'll see more about that under the weighting YouTube. Predictions, you can get the scores, you can get the spreads, you can generate a prediction report. Under analysis, right now this is shown in some of the features because it's my access. You won't have access to analysis until that's ready. You can go over here under reports, and you can generate and view a report. I'll click that. A report will come up, and it'll be the last one that was generated by the predictions. Okay? You can close that. More on reports later. And then administrative activities, I'll speak more about that under the YouTube on admin. Same thing for helps. We'll look at that, but you can have full access to helps, and you can exit the program.